Hello everyone, good morning to you all. Welcome to the e-learning classes. I hope आप लोग अच्छे होंगे, अच्छे से पढ़ाई कर रहे होंगे. So students, today we will continue with our GK work. So all of you take out your GK books quickly and open page number 6 in your GK books. Alright. So our next lesson is what's in your body. It means students, there are different parts in our body. हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे different parts होते हैं. So we will study about those body parts. Alright. So first of all, write down CW and today's date. CW, underline it. Today's date. Today is 20th 5 2020. Alright. Students, don't forget to write date and CW. Alright. So let's start our exercise. You have many parts in your body. There are many parts in a human body, in our body. Look at the picture of a boy. There is a picture of a boy. एक boy की एक picture है. Draw lines to join parts of the body with their correct name. You have to draw a line. आपको line draw करके body parts को match करना है. Alright. One is done for you. एक आपके लिए पहले से किया हुआ है. Alright. So students, you will draw line with the help of your scale and pencil. आप अपने पेंसिल और स्केल के हेल्प से ही लाइंस ड्रॉ करेंगे. नो वन इज़ गोइंग टू यूज़ एनी अदर थिंग्स. और यू विल नॉट ड्रॉ एनी लाइंस विथ योर फ्री हैंड. आप लोग हाथ से लाइंस ड्रॉ नहीं करोगे, आप लोग पेंसिल और स्केल के हेल्प से ही लाइंस ड्रॉ करोगे. ऑलराइट. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. आइज़. Eyes, where is eyes? Can you see this? This is eyes of a boy. Eyes help us to see. Eyes से क्या होता है, हम लोग देखते हैं. So you have to draw line to match it. Line draw करके आपको उससे match करना है. Students, draw straight line. This is eyes. Eyes help us to see. Thumb is already matched. Now the next one is finger. Where is finger? This part is fingers. Fingers help us to hold the things. Fingers से क्या होते हैं, हम लोग चीज़ों को hold करते हैं, write करते हैं with the help of our fingers. So this is fingers. You have to draw a line to match it. All right. This is eyes, this is thumb, this part is thumb and this is finger. Our next body part is chest. C-H-E-S-T, chest. Where is the chest? This part of the body is called chest. Alright. So we will draw a line to match it. This is called chest. Chest means सीना. Belly. Where is the belly in our body? I'll show you. This, the stomach portion. The stomach portion is called belly. ऑलराइट. जो हमारे पेट का पोर्शन होता है उसको बेली कहते हैं. नीज. वेयर इज द नी? दिस पोर्शन, दिस पोर्शन ऑफ द बॉडी, जिससे क्या कहा जाता है, घुटना इन हिंदी. So we will draw a line to match it. This is knee. All right. So let's move further. Hair. You all must be knowing there is a hair. Yes, right. This is hair. Hair means bal. Lips. Where are the lips? I'll show you. This part, this part of the body is called lips. ये क्या है, ये lips है. All right. Our next body part is chin. Chin. This portion of the body, ये जो body का जो part है, इसे हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, chin. CHIN, chin. So draw a straight line. This is chin. Wrist. WRIST, wrist. Wrist means kalai. So this portion is called wrist. All right. Our next part is thigh. THIGH, thigh. So where is it? This part of the body is called thighs. All right. Next is ankle. Ankle means india. Where is it? This part is called ankle. The last lower part of our foot is called ankle. So these are the various parts of our body. You have to draw a lines to match it. Yes, में आपको lines draw करके match करना है, and with your pencil and scale. All right. You will do this in your books only. और ये काम आपको book में ही करना है. All right. So students, let's move further. Do you know what is sense organs? What do you mean by sense organs? Sense organs क्या होते हैं? Sense organs are the parts of our body that help us to aware the things around us. Sense organs क्या होते हैं? हमारे body के parts होते हैं जिससे हमें हमारे चारों ओर क्या हो रहा है वो हमें पता चलता है, हमें feel होता है. All right. There are 5 sense organs in our body. All right. हमारे body में 5 sense organs होते हैं. So let's see what are they. We see and feel different things with the help of our eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. हम लोग बहुत सारी चीज़ें क्या करते हैं, फील करते हैं, देखते हैं जो हमारे चारों ओर हो रही है. क्या विद द हेल्प ऑफ, कैसे देखते हैं, विद द हेल्प ऑफ आइज, ईयर्स, नोज, टंग, स्किन. ऑल राइट. सो दीज आर द 5 sense organs in our body. What are they? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, skins. These are called our sense organs. इन्हें क्या कहा जाता है? They are called sense organs. With the help of these sense organs, we can feel the things around us. All right? हमारे चारों ओर क्या हो रहा है वो हम फील कर सकते हैं. Let's see. We hear with our ears. हम लोग कैसे सुनते हैं? With the help of our ears. Can we hear anything without our ears? No, we can't hear. So ears help us to hear. Ears की वजह से क्या होता है? हम लोग सुनते हैं. We can listen the music also with the help of ears only. So our next sense organ is tongue. The taste we taste with our tongue. Suppose you eat a sweet dish. So how you will feel whether it is sweet or sour or salty. आपको कैसे पता चलेगा कि ये मीठा है, खट्टा है, तीता है? So our tongue help us to taste. टंग से क्या करते हैं? हम टेस्ट करते हैं. Our ears help us to hear. ears से हम लोग सुनते हैं. All right. We smell with our nose. What is the purpose of nose? Nose is our third sense organ. So what is the purpose of the nose? Nose से क्या होता है? We smell different things. हम लोग smell करते हैं, whether it is pleasant or bad or whatever it is. अच्छी है, बुरी है, हमें feel होता है. With the help of our nose we smell. हम लोग चीज़ों को smell करते हैं. All right. We see with our eyes. What is the purpose of eyes? Eyes का क्या काम होता है? It help us to see. We see with the help of our eyes. हम लोग अपने आँख से देखते हैं. Can we see anything without our eyes? No, we can't see. हम लोग कुछ नहीं देख सकते अगर eyes ना हो तो. So eyes help us to see the things. We feel with our skin. What is the purpose of the skin? It help us to feel. स्किन से क्या होता है? हम लोग फील करते हैं कि कोई चीज़ कैसी है. See here in the figure, this is a rabbit and the boy is holding the rabbit and rabbit is soft. और rabbit कैसा होता है? Soft होता है. So the boy can feel that the rabbit is soft. All right. Or suppose you have a glass of water, warm glass of water, और आपके हाथ पे गिरता है. So how you will feel whether it is hot or cold? You feel with the help of your skin. आप अपने स्किन की वजह से फील करते हो and immediately remove your hand. और अपना हाथ हटा लेते हैं. So our skin help us to feel the things. All right. So these are the 5 sense organs. Ears, tongue, nose, eyes and skin. So these are the 5 sense organs. All right. I hope the things are clear to you. So now write down your today's homework. Your today's homework is, this is your GK homework. Today is 20th. Learn the spellings of different body parts. All right, you have to learn the spellings of different body parts, as there are many body parts given in your books. Eyes, thumbs, finger, chest, belly, knees, hair, lips, chin, wrist, thighs, ankle. You have to learn the spelling of these body parts. All right. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.